Hey guys, welcome to my tutorials. Today we are going to uh, execute one new example with a COUNTIFS example only. Like here, just in this example, we can see the person one is having means his favorite fruit is the mango. Person two is banana, and person three is banana apple. So similarly, we can create one more Excel sheet like person name we'll write. Okay, next favorite movie. Okay. Or most watched movie. Okay, like this. So here, as you already know, person one will type, and if we drag this everywhere, it will increment continuously. We are going to take a 50 samples, and similarly, transformer terminator matrix Lord of Rings, like this. We'll copy this, paste, copy, paste. Because I'm doing like this because we need some random data. Okay. So in between I'm copying and adding the details. Okay, here we have added 50 examples. So now here we have to add one favorite movie, most watched movie, and here movie name. Okay, movie name and most watched. No, count count. How many people watched that movie? Okay, this will here will show the count. Okay, Transformer, Terminator, Matrix, Lord of the Rings. Four movies I have added, so that I have pasted it here randomly. So now we have to show the count. Just is equal to COUNTIFS. Select the data, press comma, and select the movie name. Close the bracket and press enter. Okay, here we got Transformer is 14 persons watched the Transformer and Matrix is 18. So if we count and cross check this Terminator Transformer, Terminator will check because it has got a minimum movies 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we are getting exactly 8. Now we can cross check this by summing these movies because total 50 persons have watched these movies. Amongst them, amongst 10 peoples likes the Lord of the Rings, 18 Matrix, 8 is Terminator, 4 is Transformer. So we should get 50. Okay, guys, this is another example of COUNTIFS for favorite movie or most watched movie. And we'll go through some more examples in next video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys. Bye.